Hi friends! Welcome to Elementary Explorers. Today, we're diving into a super fun topic, fractions. Are you ready to explore? Let's get started. What are fractions? Fractions are when we take something and split it into equal parts. For example, this whole pizza is one big piece, but if we share it, we can split it into halves, two equal parts. Let's see how. If we divide a pizza into two equal parts, each piece is called 1/2. That's written like this. Can you say that with me? 1/2. Now, imagine we have two friends. Each friend gets 1/2. Isn't that fair? What about thirds? If we divide something into three equal parts, each piece is called 1/3. Look at this orange, it's split into three equal pieces. Each piece is 1/3. Can you say 1/3? Now, let's learn about quarters. When we divide something into four equal parts, each part is called 1/4 or 1/4. Watch this pie, it's been split into four pieces. Yummy, isn't it? Which piece would you pick? Fractions are everywhere. When we share chocolate, slice apples, or cut cake, we use fractions. Can you think of other examples? Let's test what we've learned. Look at these watermelon slices. Is this 1/2, 1/3, or 1/4? You've got 5 seconds to guess. That's 1/4. Great job if you got it right. Today, we learned about halves, thirds, and quarters. Fractions are super fun and very useful. Thanks for exploring with us today on Elementary Explorers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time.